One thing I forgot to mention about the MSU Bike Service Center is right out here outside of our entrance is a bunch of air pumps and another do-it-yourself bike repair station. So take advantage of our free air pumps out here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different air pumps. These are compressed hoses, so they only really work with the American style valve like I have on this old bike, the black air valve. That's called the Schrader valve. These are a little tangled up. But these pumps work. It's only got one hole, but will work for both Schrader and Presta, both types of valves. So these are compressed air. Compressed air, you push this button to activate the hoses, and then you get air out of the hoses. The rest of them are manual. You just put the pump head on your valve, either type of valve. This one is also good for either type of valve, and you pump away. And then this one we've got, it's one of our oldest do-it-yourself stations with a good selection of tools for you to use. All right, talk to you later.